In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Halo Infinite offline issue. So if you're having this issue, then the first thing you can do is go to CMD, then run as administrator. So first start by typing this command and then pressing enter. So this is netsh space winsock space reset. Once you finish this command, you want to type in the second command, ipconfig/release, and then you want to type in ipconfig flush DNS, and then ipconfig/renew. And once you're done with this, you can check if it fixes the issue. If it doesn't, then you want to go to Steam. If you have the game on Steam, you can go to Steam. And what you'll do here is simply right click on the game and uninstall it. So if you go here, you can uninstall it so you can reinstall it again and test if it works. Or you can go to control panel, and under programs, you'll be able to uninstall it from here. So just find the game and uninstall it, and after that reinstall the game. So if you're still having issues, then you can check if the servers are down. So what you can do is you can go here and you can type is Halo Infinite down. So here, if you see this website, if it tells you like there's some issues with the server, you'll be able to tell. Or here, you'll be able to tell if there are any issues. So as you can see, there are no issues here currently. So if there was, you'll just have to wait for them to fix the issue and the outage, and hopefully this fixes your issue.